We all love art. Me, especially, I love gothic, dark, nature kind of an art. And these beautiful art pieces that you're seeing right now have been created not by a person, by an AI rather. Now, what it does, it takes text prompts and converts them to art pieces called Midjourney. So what Midjourney does, it utilizes text prompts from you guys and convert them into art. Pretty straightforward, huh? Nothing special, nothing mind binding. But let me tell you this. These images are not created by you, or they're not there, in fact, on the internet or created by some person. These images are the imagination of an artificially trained AI. And let me go ahead and walk you through how can you set up this so you can bring your imagination into life. So how you can do this, just go to Google and download Discord if you haven't already. And once you've downloaded Discord, then just search for Mid Journey. And once you click on that, what it will do, it's going to ask you to join the beta, which is going to be taking a lot of time. For me, all you can do is just get started, sign in, and it will send an invitation to your Discord server. Once there, then it will show up just like this. Here you will see the bots, and here is what your Discord servers are. So the Midjourney will be added here, and it will show up here. And before you go ahead and you do anything here, all you can do is you have to create a new server first. So create my own server, and for me and my family, and I'm gonna call this my Mid Journey server, and hit create, and this is going to create a Midjourney server for you. Once done, all you have to do is you have to go to this Midjourney server, a ship, click on that, and from here you will see that all these newcomer rooms, like 47 and 17 by the time of filming this video, all of them are using this Midjourney bot. So all you have to do is you click on the bot and you have to add this to your server. And you need to select the server that you've just created, which is my Midjourney, and then authorize. And that's pretty much it. You're all done. Now just go ahead and play with it. Let me tell you how it works. So once you're authorized, you have to go to your server, which is my Midjourney. For you, it's going to be anything else that you'd like. And from here, you're going to have to put / and then imagine and then hit tab. So / type imagine and then tab. And it will ask you, what would you like? I would say white oh my god, Spider-Man. You can type in pretty much anything you want and see it bring your words to life, which is amazing. It takes a little bit time depending on your internet connectivity. So go ahead, get yourself coffee, and here we go. We got something here. There you go. Look at this beauty. White Spider-Man created in seconds. Isn't it amazing? Now, that is what you can do, but you can go and you can put in specific commands. So what do I mean by that? So if I could say imagine and say, let's say dark black Mustang with wings. And as you put input in, the model will get trained. And you can imagine this, like how efficient this system is. There are hundreds and thousands of commands that people are putting in, and what it does, it trains the data. It trains this training model. And model is, once it gets more input, it gets trained more and it works more efficiently. And this is what we get. Look at that beauty with wings. And this one, I guess, horse is coming out of it. And you can actually, if you're not happy with this, you can, so let's say that I like this one. So what it will do, U1 is upscaling one. The first image, it will give you a bigger quality of the same image. U2, second, third, fourth, upscaling. And if you don't like it, you want a different version, you can click on one. And if you don't like the whole idea of this output that you get, you can go ahead and you can refresh this and it will reiterate and re-enter the command for you, and it will give you not the same but different results every time you put that in, which is to me amazing. Now while it's cooking, let me tell you what it does. So it basically utilizes a deep learning algorithm, and what it does, that algorithm has huge, massive amount of pictures. So the data sets are pictures, but not just pictures with titles and with labels. And what it does, it meshes all those together and feed it into the model. And the more data, the more input you put in, the more trained, the more efficient the data model will become. And that is how it takes your images and your text and convert those to images. Now you might be wondering, it is just remixing or remorphing those images. No, it is creating a brand new piece of art from scratch just by taking your text as an input. So I got this back and here we go. So sometimes it gives you the results that you did not even like. So all you have to do is you have to play with it. Now I have to show you one more thing here. So if I say imagine, click on that, and I would say haunted white mansion, (1970s) film style. And this is where we can give a little bit more detail. I could say AR, which is for aspect ratio, and then space / or dashes. I could say 2:1. And then what it will does, okay, so invalid parameters. I guess I've done something. Yeah, of course. I have given the wrong. I didn't. So this exclamation point is keep bugging me. Okay, so from here I can say haunted white mansion, and at night, and then I could say AR for aspect ratio, and then I could say 2:1. Okay, so I'm still getting this argument. I guess the spaces are not there. Yeah, so you don't have to put in spaces. That is what happened, and it's gonna give me. Now this is something which I have specifically said that this is what I want, and then separated by a comma, and then get into a little bit more specifics, and then comma, and then give me a little bit more to feed into this model, and this is what I get. So there we go. To me, this is something which I was always thinking about stuff and thinking about different concepts which were in my mind, and to me I could not afford an artist. So this is pretty much good for me to go ahead and see my words come into existence, so other people can visualize. If you have a concept which you want to show to others and you can't afford an artist or whatnot, what you can do is this is a beautiful tool for you. Now you might be wondering, is this going to replace artists? To me, it's not quite there yet, but who knows, maybe in 4 or 5 years it's gonna get better at what it does. So you have to keep an eye on that, I should say. Now if you like this video, then thumbs up. If you dislike the video, thumbs down. And I would like to know your thoughts on it, and if you think that this is going to replace artists, down below share your thoughts on that, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.